Hello everyone, welcome to the How to Mac YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to force quit applications on your Mac operating system. So normally when you have an application, so we're just going to use Safari in this tutorial. We're on the apple.com homepage just because this is an Apple kind of channel. That's what we roll with. So normally when you want to quit an application, you would right click on the application, in this case Safari, and press the quit button. But obviously you're on this video right now, so that's not working for you. So let's go back to the apple.com homepage and how do you force quit the application? So what we're going to want to do is press this little Apple logo on the top of your screen here and press force quit. After that, make sure you click the right application that you want to quit. You don't want to quit the wrong one. That would be bad, and you might lose some important information if you're a video producer like I. And so click on whatever application you need to force quit, and force quit again. So there you go. No matter what that application is doing, if it's in a boot loop, it's in a loading loop, you can force quit the application without any ramifications. So that's how you do that. If you guys enjoyed the video and learned something along the way, make sure to leave a like, and yeah, share this with your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Do all the things that you would normally do on other videos. Peace, everyone. I will see you guys in the next tutorial on the How to Mac YouTube channel.